Hi, my name is Hatea Johnson. I'm a nutrition educator in the Health and Wellbeing Department at UW-Madison Division of Extension in the Waukesha County office. And we're happy to be partnering with Waukesha County 4-H. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy snack. And today we're going to be making a Green Goodness Smoothie. The ingredients for this recipe consist of frozen peaches, spinach, basil leaves, and orange juice. I'm going to be preparing this, but first I'm going to be sanitizing my hands. It's optimal before preparing any kind of dish or recipe to wash your hands with warm soapy water for 20 seconds. But if you don't have access to a sink, hand sanitizer can work. So that's what I'll be doing. And then rub them together. All right. And for this recipe, I'll be wearing gloves for food safety so that nothing gets contaminated anyway. So today we're going to be using frozen peaches. So it's a good source of vitamin C. So especially during cold and flu season, it's important to eat fruits and vegetables that contain vitamin C. And a good way to know if something has vitamin C is it's usually going to be orange in color, or orange or red, somewhere along those lines. And also, by having some greens with your vitamin C, greens are a good source of iron. And so when you mix something green along with something orange, it helps each get absorbed easier into your body. And we have basil here. So this is an herb, but it tastes really good. Now you might be thinking, basil, that might sound a bit strange in a smoothie. It's actually super delicious. And it goes really well along with the other flavors. And then we have orange juice to help it all blend together. And it's another great source of vitamin C. This is perfect for staying healthy. So we will be using a blender in this recipe. So parents, if you're watching this, you might want to supervise when this or do this part for your kids because it can be a little dangerous for small hands. So we're going to be adding in our greens first. These can be a little harder to chop up, so you're going to want them at the bottom closest to the blade. And we have these packed in here. So a cup of spinach, or if you don't have spinach, kale can work. Anything green. Okay, so then pack it down. And then we will be adding our liquid. So we are going to be doing 1 cup of orange juice. This version is pulp free, but if it has pulp, you might want to shake it first. And then you add that in. Next, we'll be adding our basil leaves. So the recipe calls for about 2 to 3 leaves. If this is your first time maybe trying it, maybe just put 1. No, put 2 to 3 for the recipe's sake. And finally, we have our star of the show. We have our peaches here. So we'll be adding these, and you'll want 2 cups of peaches. So I'll add this first one. And then our second cup. And cup number 2. Then you're going to want to put the top on your blender. So when you blend, if it becomes too thick, you can always add more liquid. Okay, so cover your ears. So when you need to mix something, because sometimes you'll have to mix it during blending, never ever put your hands in, and always make sure that it is off before you put anything to mix it in. Using a rubber spatula is good because it keeps your hands safe and it's pretty durable. So you're going to give it a stir. And it may differ if you have a more powerful blender at home. You might not have to do that. Okay. So now, it should be done after about 30 seconds to a minute of blending. Okay, so then you'll want to grab a glass. So this smoothie, if it's for an adult, it might serve 1, but if it's for kids, you could definitely get 2 servings out of this. So then you'll want to pour it into your glass And that is your Green Goodness Smoothie.